In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use parental control in Snapchat. In order to use Snapchat's parental control through a family center, both the parents and a teen needs to have their own Snapchat account and must be friends. So likewise, you have to actually do is just download and create your Snapchat account first thing in both the devices, and then make sure to be friends with each other. And after which you need to access, or you just need to open a parent Snapchat account, and click on the Bitmoji icon from the top right and go to the gear icon from the top left hand side corner of your screen. And then you just need to scroll down and look for privacy control. You could also go to partner connection itself. So here you could go to this and then click on the view policy review. And after which you want to go ahead and make sure to read all the terms and conditions, and here you could go ahead and set up your parental control. So basically you have to have both the account. So that's how you could go ahead and use your parental control in Snapchat. And next you could also go ahead and then you have to send an invitation, and the other person or the teen has to actually accept it, and then you could start using the controls. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.